Now I have all 4 plugs out. You can see they're a little bit worn here, and 2 in the middle apparently new, but otherwise they work fine, so no problem. What I'm going to do, I'm going to use 1200 sandpaper, and I'm going to clean it because they don't really look nice. I have cleaned glow plugs, and I also use some sandpaper to clean them, so you can see it's much better than before. You can even see the metallic kind of color. I also cleaned all the wells here, and I'm going to use it's a copper grease to make sure that I don't have any problem taking out these glow plugs next time. One thing that try to use the wrench that has the scale, so you can see how much torque you can put. So those plugs, they rated at 14, 15 nanometer. So make sure that you put them properly and don't over tight, because it's very important. It will be really difficult for you to get out those plugs if they break.